my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to create your own thumbnails using the Photopea. A Photopea is like a Photoshop, but the good thing of using Photopea is that you don't need to download. It is easy to use. You just type in photopea.com and it's ready as 1, 2, 3. So in order to start with, I'm going to press a new project for my thumbnail. So you just click new project, okay, and you can name this as a thumbnail. Yes, okay, or whatsoever you can name it, and the width and the height is auto, and you can maximize to higher pixel or smaller, so it depends on you. So since that I'm going to create my thumbnail, I'm going to use the HD, but you can use also the social print ads, photo, mobile. Okay, you can go here and then you can choose the different sizes of the banners that you want to use. Your Twitter, YouTube cover, or the Facebook event, shared page cover. So you can use this for print ads. So we have also different sizes here, and for the photo and for the screen. So usually I'm using the HD, and I will set the background as white. Okay, and then I will click this create. Then as you can see is a white template. Okay, to start with, I'm going to set the color that I want to use for my template here. So I will click these two box here to pick the color that you want. Okay, I just click that, and you can pick the color that you want. So if you want black, red, green, blue, or green, purple, yellow, yes, you can set that one, but I want to use black, so I will set to black. And other box here, you can choose also the other color that you want to fuse with. Okay, so I'm gonna use the purple color, so I will set the purple. Okay, it's done. So next, what you're gonna do is you click on the layers in the right side of the screen here, the background here. You can click that. It's been highlighted. Okay, the next thing to do is you click the gradient tool here. Right click and click the gradient tool, and you can drag, left click and drag it down. Okay, as you can see, I have my gradient color ready. It is a combination of purple and the black. But you can play here. You can play the gradient colors. Yeah, you can play if you want it more purple here, less black here. You can do so. But I want a little bit purple and I want more black color here. So I'm going to drag going up there. Okay, so that to be less purple and more in black. So since that I'm satisfied with the gradient color that I want to use, now I'm going to open a picture that I want to use on my thumbnail. So just click file and open, and choose the picture that you want to use. So I have a picture here. This is set as only an example. Okay, so in the picture, I want to remove the background of the picture. So I just want to show my face. So the first thing to do is to remove my picture and just leave the background behind. So what I'm going to do is to use this. Actually, you can use the magic wand. Yes, magic wand here. This is auto, but actually it didn't select the edge that I want to. So I'm not going to use that. There's also a quick selections, but still didn't pick the one I want to, so I don't want to use this. I'm gonna use the lasso. Okay, so I'm going to use the lasso to maximize the edge of the picture that I want to use. Okay, as you can see, so you just drag it down and get the edges that you want to include to the picture. Any. Okay. Okay, it's already done. It's been highlighted. Now I'm going to click the refine edge. Okay, as you can see, I have the other picture here in vector. So, and it's not really a refined edge. So I'm going to click this circle on the left side to refine the edges of the picture. Okay, you can see the circle, so you just turn it here down there, and here we go. You see, it's already pixelated and below here as well. So down here also, yeah, like that.
It's a little picnic in a box. Yes, it's not quite the medieval banquet I was
You can resize.
And now it's
okay.
Time to meet the dragon.
And down here as well.
It won't be a real dragon. Dragons are just pretend.
Yes, don't be sad if it's just Miss Rabbit holding a little glove puppet.
Okay, actually it's not totally perfect, but that's fine. So we're just going to highlight later. So if you are finished, you just click OK. Okay, and you highlight this picture. Use this arrow to move the tool and click the picture. So what we're gonna do is to copy and paste. You can hit the Control C to copy the picture, and go to your thumbnail template and Control V to paste the picture. And here we go. We have our picture here. You can resize to the minimum of maximum size you want. So I have here, and since that the edge of the picture, I have a background. Okay, I'm going to use the layer stroke to cover up the edges of the picture. So as you can see, I have a white color background. So actually you can use the other color. Red, if you want to use the red is red. If you want to use black, say use black. So I prefer to use the white color. So after you use the OK, then you just click OK. So that's it. So it's time for me to put a text. This is the type tool. You just control right, click right, and type tool to put the text on your template. You can maximize the size of the font here. Okay, how and the color of the font. So I'm gonna use the white color so it's more visible, right? So how to create a thumbnail. So you can set it more bigger or smaller, and here as well you just highlight, click the arrow, move to move the text. Okay, how to create a thumbnail using a Photopea, like that. So I can highlight this as well. If you want to highlight this, you want to um, put red one, yes, and Photopea as well. So for example, you want to change the color of the Photopea to red color, then you can change that as well. Okay, so I'm gonna put here below as a tutorial. So this is, I just want a very simple thumbnail actually. So this is okay. This is fine and great because easy to read, easy to see, and it's more clearer. So now I'm done. I will save this thumbnail. So I'm gonna click the file and export to, or you can save to PSD or PSB, or you can export to PNG, GPG, SVG, GIF, PDF. So I want to save it using GPG. Okay, and this is the format GPG with 1 to 80 pixel, and the height and the quality you can set into low quality. And as you can see, if you use the low quality 11%, so the picture is a bit more blurred, blurry, I mean. And if you set to higher spec, so the picture is really in high quality. So I've just saved that. Okay, here we go. So this is the final look of my thumbnail. So I'm going to upload this to my YouTube channel. So I want to change it. Okay, so in your YouTube channel, you can you can change the photo here. So you can open the, yes, for example only. Okay, so this for example, this is your video, and then you can click here. Oh no, wait, sorry. Okay, so for example, this is your video and you have already created the video details for your new video tutorial, and then I want to change my thumbnail. So you just go here and change. Okay, change. So I'm gonna use the thumbnail that I created just now. So where is it? Okay, here. So I have here, and click save. Okay, that's it. It's already changed. So that's all for today, and hope you learn from it. And this is very easy to use the Photopea, and sometimes if we download our own software, it will take us time to open, and it makes our computer very slow. But using the Photopea is very easy as 1, 2, 3, and you don't need to download. So if you have some question, you can ask me a question, and you can drop your a comment below, and I will try to guide you all the way to in order to use and to know how to use the Photopea. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.